Hello and welcome to Master Mathematics. I'm Mr. A, and in this video we are going to cover absolute value with division. So I've got my 4 examples here, and these bars around each of the operations, those are your absolute value bars. And remember, absolute value is the distance a number is from 0. A good way to think about that is envision a number line and just, how many spaces is it from 0? So we're going to hop right into our first one. And your first step when you have any operation in the grouping sign is to bring down that grouping sign. So in this case, your grouping sign in these 4 examples is your absolute value bars. So I'm going to bring down those bars, and then I'm going to do the operation in those bars. So 24 divided by 4, we've got a positive divided by a positive. Our answer is going to be positive. It's 6. So now we are looking for the absolute value of 6, which is 6. All right, I'll write that there, circle it. This way we know what our answer is. All of our work here is shown, which is great. So number 2, you just heard me say, first step, bring down that grouping sign. So bring down those absolute value bars. And now we have 48 divided by negative 8. So in this one, we have a positive divided by a negative. Our answer we know is going to be negative. So super important here that we follow all these little steps and that you're meticulous in your math work, right? I know that maybe these to you might seem really straightforward, and maybe you've already figured out all 4 examples, and that's great if you did. But it's in the details where sometimes math problems are, where mistakes are made and where we get them wrong. So super important, bring down that grouping sign. If it's a negative divided by a positive or 2 negatives, make sure you figure out whether the answer to the operation is negative or positive. Bring that down, then do the math here. So that's what we did with number 2, and we've got 48 divided by negative 8. We know the answer is going to be negative, and we do the math, and it is negative 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. Awesome. Number 3, what I'm going to urge you to do for numbers 3 and numbers 4 are pause the video, do the work, unpause it, and then follow along. Great. I'm so happy that you did that. So we have first step, right? Bringing down our absolute value bars. Negative divided by a negative, our answer is going to be positive. Negative 42 divided by negative 7 is 6. And the absolute value of 6, one more time, is 6. Okay. Last one, number 4. These are the steps you followed, right? Brought down your absolute value bars, then brought down your negative sign because you noticed there was a negative divided by a positive, and then you got your answer as negative 5, and you found the absolute value of negative 5, which is 5. And that's all we have for you in this video today. Thank you so much for being here. Once again, this channel is called Master Mathematics. My name is Mr. A. Please make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and check out the link in the description for our Patreon page. On the Patreon page, you'll find exclusive videos not available on YouTube, along with enrichment activities, worksheets, and other items there to sharpen your math skills. Again, thank you so much for being here with me. My name is Mr. A, and this is Master Mathematics.